What advice do you have for people finding and seeking mentors?
Keep trying. Don't give up. Like if you see someone you want to be a mentor, mentee of, or want to mentor you, just go ask them. You've got nothing to lose. If you have something you can bring to the table to offer them, that'd be really great. I think there's room for everyone to be a mentor and a mentee at the same time through their whole career. And, it might be subtle things. There may not be a huge split in ability between the two people you're partnered with, right? But every partner you have has strengths that you may not have, or have expertise in one area. And every partner you have has things that you can help them with. So if you're looking for it and understand kind of how it works, I think that it can happen much more naturally than a lot of people think. It doesn't have to be like this one guru that's showing you the way. It can be lots of little things.